Dear students, welcome to my channel. In our operating system tutorial, today we will discuss distributed network and real-time operating system. So, myself Miladi Shekhar Khan. I am working as an assistant professor at Greater Kolkata College of Engineering and Management at Computer Science and Engineering Department. So, at first discuss what is distributed operating system. So, distributed systems are also called as loosely coupled operating system. Okay. So in this type of operating system, multiple central processors are used to serve multiple real-time applications, multiple users. So in this type of operating system, what's happened? Multiple central processors are used. Okay. So there are multiple CPUs are exist to serve multiple real-time application and multiple users. So there are multiple users, and those users are asked for different types of applications, and all that applications are served by multiple central processing units. Okay? So in this, the job of data processing are shared in processors accordingly. Okay, so different jobs are processed by different types of processors. Okay, so this is the pictorial representation. As you can see, this is the operating system, and this is a CPU, this memory, this is the one user, this is the another user, this is the another user, and there are 5 types of users, and all the users have their own CPU, own memory. Okay, so these are the jobs are done on different simultaneously. But in our last lecture, there is in real time OS. What happened? There is a single memory, and all this memory has been shared by all. Okay, but here different types operating system, single operating systems are here, and different multiple central processors are used to serve multiple real-time applications. Okay, so these users have his own CPU, own memory. These users also have his own CPU, own memory. Okay, so all the jobs are done simultaneously. Okay, what are the advantages of operating system? Speed is increased by the exchange of information with the help of electronic mail. Okay, it offers better services to the customers. It reduces the delays in the processing of data. It also reduces the load on host computer. Okay. It basically offers reliability. That means if any case one side fails, then the rest of the other sides works properly. And what are the disadvantages of time sharing operating system? In time sharing operating system, distributed systems are more expensive, and failure of central network stops the whole communication. Okay, and there are 2 types of distributed operating system. One is client server system, and another one is peer-to-peer system. Okay, so I am repeating once again the distributed operating system. Okay, so in our distributed operating system, there are systems also known as loosely coupled system. Okay, so this is also called loosely coupled system. And in this type of operating system, multiple central processors are used to serve multiple real-time application and multiple users. And in this, the jobs of data processing are shared in the processor accordingly. So you can see there are different types of jobs processors are there. Okay. So what are the advantages of distributed operating system? Speed is increased as the exchange of information with the help of electronic, and it offers better services to the customer, and it also reduces the delays in the processing of data. It reduces the load of the on the host computer. It offers reliability. That means if any case one side fails, then the rest of the other sides works properly. And what are the disadvantages? Disadvantages in distributed systems are more expensive. Okay, and failure of the central network stops the whole communication. If the central network stops, the whole communication will become idle. Okay, so there are 2 types of distributed operating system. One is client server system, and another one is peer-to-peer system. In our next tutorial, we will discuss this type of things. Okay, next come what is network operating system. Okay, So the network operating systems are also called tightly coupled systems. Okay. So a operating system is a type of operating system which is created to help personal computer, workstation, etc. Network operating systems are operated on a server, okay, and offer the facility of security, users applications, data management, and other networking related functions. Its objective is to permit file sharing and printer access among various computers in a network. Okay? So this is the picture, this is the file server, this is the client 1, this is client 1, this is client 3. Okay, this is client 4. So these all the four clients can work together. Okay, this is the file server. Suppose some client 1 needs to do any job, it will give up that job to the file server, and this file server will execute that job. So no single client can execute his own program. Okay, so every client have to feed their program to the file server, and this file server will execute. So I'm once again repeating, the network operating system are also called tightly coupled systems. A network operating system is a type of operating system which is created basically to help personal computers and workstations. Okay, so this is client one. If client one is required any help, this is it, request it to the file server, and this file server will solve that problem. Okay, so network operating systems are operated on a server and offer the facility of security, users applications, and data management, and other networking related functions. Okay? And its objective is to permit file sharing and printer access among various computers in a network. Okay, so what are the advantages of network operating system? First one, it provides the facility of remote access to server from different location. So it provides facility of remote access to server from different locations. So from location 1, it can access server, okay, and through server it can access location 2. And always easy to upgradation of new technologies, okay. So we can easily upgrade the new technology and improve scalability. Okay, so this is how we can understand that scalability can be improved. Security is managed via server, so this is not required to install any security functionalities to the client machine. Through server, the security can be managed. And what are the disadvantages? Number one is needed regular updated and maintenance. As you are working on a server, your network internets are required, and for that you have to regularly updates and maintain it. Okay, it is expensive, and many operations depends on a central location. Okay, it is totally dependent on the server machine. Okay, so next come to the real-time operating system. In real-time operating system, it is defined as an operating system known as to give maximum time for each of the critical operations that it performs. Okay, like operating system calls and interrupt handling. Real-time operating systems are the operating systems that are used in real-time applications where the data processing must be done in a fixed interval of time. So in real-time operating system, some works are done in a fixed time interval. The real-time operating system gives the response very fast and quickly. And real-time operating system is used when a large number of events are processed in a short interval of time. So this is the pictorial representation. This is the application. This is can be go both ways. This is the RTOS kernel. This is the BSP, and this is the custom marker. So I'm repeating once again. Real-time operating. It is defined as an operating system known to give maximum time for each of the critical operations that it performs, that like operating system calls and interrupt handling. So there are different types of critical operations, okay, in operating system. So real-time operating system gives maximum time to this type of critical operations, okay. So next, real-time operating systems are the operating systems that are used in real-time applications where the data processing must be done in a fixed interval of time. As you know, in real-time applications, we have to do any type of job in a simulated time, that is within a specified time. So real-time operating system handles these things. So in real-time operating system have to respond very fast Okay, because why? Because it have to did a job or execute a job within a specified time. And in the third point, the real-time operating system gives the response very fast and quick. Because I have already told that it have to give the result within a fixed interval of time. Okay, so it have to give response very fast and quick. And the fourth one, the real-time operating system is used when a large number of events are processed in a short interval time. So if there is a situation we have lots of processes have to execute and we have a very limited amount of time, then we will go to the real-time operating system. Okay. So what are the advantages of real-time operating system? There are lots of advantages of real-time operating system. The first one is real-time operating systems are error-free. There are less type of errors. Okay. The second one is real-time operating systems offer the facility of memory allocation management. Okay, so it offers facility of memory allocation management. So memory allocated allocation is done through real-time operating system. It offers better utilization of devices and systems and produces more output from all the resources. Okay, so it offers better utilization of devices and systems and produces more output from all the resources. The fourth one is the real-time operating system more focuses on the running the applications and give the less importance to those applications which are present in the queue. So it mainly concentrates on what processes are running now. Okay, it gives less importance to all the processes what will be executed next. Okay, so next, what are the disadvantages of real-time operating system? In real-time operating system, the task of writing the algorithm is very challenging and complex. Okay, so it is very challenging and it has to execute all the operation in a specific time. Okay, and real-time operating system is expensive. As you know, you can understand that it is using heavy system resources. Okay, so there are two types of real-time operating system. One is hard real-time and another one is soft real-time. Now, what is hard real-time? Basically, in hard real-time system, there is some deadline for executing the task. So there is some deadline, okay, for executing the task, which means that the task must start its execution on the particular scheduled time and should complete within the assigned duration of time. So in case of hard real-time operating system, the all the jobs have to be started within a specific time and completed within that time. Okay. In soft real-time, examples are aircraft system, medical critical system, etc. And in soft real-time system, we assign a time to each process, but some delay in time is acceptable. Okay, so in soft real-time, deadlines are handled softly. That is why it is called real-time. So that in soft real-time system, some minimum, okay, minimum time delay is possible, but not more than that. Minimum, okay. The examples are livestock prices or online transaction systems, etc. Okay. So this is all about different types of operating systems. So I am requesting you to subscribe my channel by clicking on the bell icon at your right hand side of the screen, or you can visit www.facebook.com/digitalclassroom. To get all the details of my tutorial. Or if you have any doubt, you can mail me at nilanjipir86@gmail.com, or you can call me at this number. Okay, students. Thank you.